Have you ever wondered how to perform a difficult task like opening your car door? Don't worry, we'll teach you just that. Find the door handle and pull it out. Now the door is open. You cannot push the door inside to close it. Do you also wonder about how to open your car trunk? We're just getting there. Since I'm speaking in English and in an accent, I don't think I'll have to make much sense. So you can go ahead and look for your car trunk's handle and pull it out. Voila, there you go. It's open. Now, you can stop staring at it and pull the car door down so that you can shut it. Do not play with it like a kid. Now that you've learned how to do it, you can go ahead and perform your happy dance.